Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Smartsheet for resource management, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Smartsheet website. Once you are on the home page, look for the sign up button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed with the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where you can create an account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Choose a strong password that meets the site's security requirements. After filling out your email and password, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email in your inbox from Smartsheet. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Smartsheet login page. Input your email address and password, then click the Login button. After logging in, you will be taken to the Smartsheet dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface and features available. To set up resource management, navigate to the Solutions section in the menu. Select Resource Management from the list presented to you. You will be prompted to start a new resource management project. Click on the New Project button to get started. Fill in the required details about your project, such as its name and timeline. Once you have entered all necessary information, click Create. Now, you can add team members to your project by input their email addresses to invite them to join your project. After inviting team members, you can assign roles and responsibilities. Use the resource allocation tools to ensure efficient use of available resources. Review the project settings to customize features that suit your needs. Once everything is set up, you can start managing your resources seamlessly. Feel free to explore additional features and tools that Smartsheet offers as you become more familiar with the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.